Good morning to you all and very warm welcome of our principal, teaching and non-teaching staff and dear friends. My message of the day is time. Time is only thing that never returns once you have spent it doing any work. It always flows forward direction, which means time is irreversible, so we should never waste time. Most of us know that time can never be brought back, but we still waste it doing unnecessary things and doing nothing. All successful people respect the time and understand the importance of time in life. They are also very punctual. A student who knows how important time is for his life can succeed in his future and lead a disciplined life through time management. If we all want to manage our time, then we must make lists or works, prioritize tasks, and set goals to achieve. Thanks for listening me.